Shoulder pain can be a debilitating condition that affects your daily activities, from reaching for something on a shelf to even sleeping comfortably. It's essential to address this pain proactively, and one of the best ways to do that is through targeted exercises. In today's video, we're diving into 5 effective exercises designed to alleviate shoulder pain. Whether you're dealing with chronic discomfort or a recent injury, these movements can help improve your strength and flexibility. So, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button if you find this information helpful. 1. Pendulum swings. First on our list is the pendulum swing. This exercise is great for gently mobilizing the shoulder joint without placing too much strain on it. How to do it? Stand next to a table or sturdy surface for support. Gently bend forward, allowing your injured arm to dangle freely. Allow your arm to swing gently in a circular motion, like a pendulum. Perform 10 to 15 swings in one direction, then switch to the opposite direction. Repeat this for about 2 to 3 sets. Why it works? Pendulum swings promote blood circulation and help to loosen the shoulder joint, which can be especially beneficial for those suffering from stiffness or limited range of motion. This movement is ideal as a preliminary exercise before engaging in more strenuous activities or as a gentle cool-down afterward. 2. Wall angels. Next up, we have wall angels. This exercise focuses on improving shoulder mobility and posture, both of which can contribute to pain relief. How to do it? Stand with your back against a wall, ensuring your heels, buttocks, shoulders, and head are all touching the wall. Raise your arms to form a W shape with your elbows bent and your hands facing upward. Gradually lift your arms against the wall, ensuring they remain in contact as you extend them into a Y formation. Hold for a moment at the top, then slide back down to the W position. Aim for 10 to 12 repetitions. Why it works? Wall angels help strengthen the muscles around the shoulder blades while enhancing shoulder stability. This exercise can correct poor posture, which is often a contributor to shoulder pain, especially for those who sit for extended periods. 3. Sleeper stretch. Our third exercise is the sleeper stretch, which targets the rotator cuff muscles and is especially beneficial for those experiencing tightness. How to do it? Lie on your side with the affected shoulder on the bottom and your head supported by a pillow. Use your top arm to gently push the forearm of the lower arm towards the floor. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Why it works? The sleeper stretch helps increase flexibility and reduce tightness in the shoulder joint, which can be crucial for pain relief. By focusing on the rotator cuff muscles, you're targeting an area that's often neglected but plays a significant role in shoulder function. 4. External rotation with resistance band. Next, we have the external rotation exercise using a resistance band. How to do it? Stand with your side facing the band, holding it with the hand of the affected arm. Keep your elbow close to your body and bent at a 90-degree angle. Maintain this position briefly before returning to your initial stance. Why it works? This exercise specifically targets the external rotators of the shoulder, which are crucial for maintaining shoulder stability. Strengthening these muscles can lead to better support for the shoulder joint, reducing pain and the risk of future injuries. 5. Cross-body stretch. Finally, we have the cross-body stretch. This exercise is perfect for enhancing flexibility and relieving tightness across the shoulder. How to do it? Position yourself either standing or seated with a straight back for optimal posture. Use your unaffected arm to pull your affected arm across your body at shoulder height. Hold the stretch for 20 to 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in the back of the shoulder. Switch arms and repeat. Why it works? The cross-body stretch effectively stretches the muscles in the shoulder area, helping to alleviate tightness and improve overall mobility. This stretch can be particularly beneficial for those who perform repetitive overhead movements or sit at a desk for extended periods. Incorporating these 5 exercises into your routine can significantly help alleviate shoulder pain and improve your overall shoulder function. Remember to listen to your body. If any movement causes significant pain, stop and consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit. Be sure to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness insights. See you in the next video.